All local businesses need software, whether they know it or not. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own company and offer services to local businesses. Now, the first thing we're going to go over in this business plan is where to find clients. And there are a few places you can go. And the first place is Google Maps. So inside Google Maps here, if you just type in your niche, for example, we're going to use roofers. All of these companies here are Google My Business pages. And if you scroll down, you'll see that a few of them don't even have websites. And that means that they don't have a website attached to their Google My Business page. So this is a company you can reach out right now and offer them a website. And if you want to learn how to build those websites, you can join my school community down below, where I go through every aspect of building these websites from templates. Now, if we keep scrolling, we're going to see companies with lower reviews. And those are the ones you're going to be wanting to target here. So for example, I've pulled a website up here and we're just going to go over and funnel hack this website really quick. So right off the bat, their borders are all messed up. It's very narrow. We can check how it looks on mobile by pressing F12 and then going ahead and selecting what type of device you're on. Now it does look like they have it mobile optimized, which is good. But a few things I noticed right off the bat is they're asking way too many questions inside of this form fill. Now you can get away with 3 important things inside your form fill for your grab. You need your name, email, and phone number. That's all you need. So this can be cut down. I've seen some websites with 18 different form fill boxes and nobody's gonna fill those out. So reduce the amount of resistance to get the information that you actually need. Now, as we scroll down, this is a little too much text here. I would reduce that. Having this phone number here with no call to action, you should have a button here that says call us and then have a clickable button that you can use. Now they do have a video, that's good. Another form fill here, see, they actually did it down here. Name, email, phone number. How did you hear about us? It really doesn't matter how they heard about the company. So that's just wasted space. All right, so they have a contact us right here. I would make this a conversion color and have the button have some type of animation. Right now it kind of blends into the background and it doesn't jump out at me. These Google reviews need to be actually pulled from Google themselves so they actually look more professional. Then again, more testimonials. They have a call to action here, but it blends in. All right, not horrible, but I would probably give this like a D to C rating. All right, let's go back to Google Maps. Okay, so here's another company right here that I found, Camelback Roofing. And as we go through here, this looks really pixely right off the bat. Let's check the mobile, and no, not mobile optimized. As you can see here, it's just an empty page. So right away, not a good start. This is just way too much text. All right, you don't need this much text on a landing page. Nobody needs to know the intricacies of specific types of roofing. Maybe a small little excerpt about exactly what it does. These look a lot better with the image on the right side and then what they're doing on the left. Like I said, just way too much text here. Now I brought you to this website to show you down here at the bottom, they just have all these warning, creating default object from empty value, home, Camelback domain, Camelback roofing. So their website is broken. So you can contact this company and offer them a new website or to remake their website using their assets. And the good thing about contacting these companies that are already on Google My Business is that they already have pictures. So as you can see here, they already have photos that people have been uploading. So you can use these to populate the website with. Now I'm gonna show you a company that does a little better. This one looks pretty good. Good color scheme. They have good text hierarchy here. This is not a button, but they have it listed or make it look like a button at least, which it's not. Okay, it looks good mobile. Now, as we see, they have some testimonials, which is great, and they're video testimonials, so it's even better. But what we're seeing here is just something's messed up with this image size. There's just star, 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 star. These stars should be small, very, very small. They shouldn't take up this much scrolling on a screen. Okay, so this company right here did it very well. They actually pull the Google business reviews, so they look professional. This is great. I liked this. They're doing a lot here. I like how they also alternate the colors so it doesn't look so bland. This is a nice touch, very simple, good text hierarchy. Like I said, this number should be a clickable number, and that should actually call the number if you're on mobile, for example. Good trust badges, learn more, good call to actions. Yeah, this company does it well. I would give this probably a B. Just gotta fix a few things on there. You can sit here on Google Maps and go through and just find all the companies that don't have websites and then go ahead and contact them. Now, But what you're gonna realize is you're gonna run out of manpower. So what we do in my agency is we use a service called Outscraper. And Outscraper is a data scraper. And what you do is right here, you just type in roofer. And then down here, you pick what state. So we're just gonna type in Arizona. And then we're gonna set this to 1,000. So we want 1,000 roofers in Arizona. Then down here, you can add email, social media. If you want to pay a little extra, it can get you the emails as well. Now, we're just gonna not select these, so we don't need this information. Perfect. And we're gonna leave the emails out as well. Now, there are extra parameters down here. What we like to do is we like to target companies that don't have websites, and then we can reach out to them. And we do that because we know what they need, and we can offer it to them. So in here, you just go add filter. You're gonna go subtype, contain. So we put is blank, and then the field, we just put site, and then we go save. So that means that the site column inside of this data that we're pulling is blank, meaning there is no Google My Business website attached to this. Then we just hit get data, and it's gonna come up with this and tell you exactly how much it costs. So that's $1.50 for 1,000 companies that you can reach out to and send off to your cold caller to make these calls. Now that I've shown you where to find paying clients via Google Maps, and then to automate it through Outscraper to get actual qualified lead lists, the next step of this process is outreach. And this is gonna be either with cold DM or cold calling. If you're interested in that, I have another video you can watch over here about that, but we're just gonna move on to the next step. So this is building a free website, and we do this inside of Go High Level. And Go High Level is a software that we use in our company. And inside of Go High Level, it's really easy to just go ahead and hit sites, new funnel or new website from template, and hit continue. Now in here, they're gonna have a ton of templates that you can use. So just type in roofers, there we go. And as you can see, there are a ton of pre-built websites. Now I have videos going over exactly how to build these websites out directly, so I'm not gonna get into that right now. If you want more information, you can go check out my school community in the link below. It's free to join, and I have tons more resources in there. But all you have to do is hit continue here, and that's gonna go ahead and add that into your library. And at this point, we just open up the page builder, which Go High Level has already, and we can just start building this website out. Now, if you wanted to use AI to go ahead and fill out some of these columns, you can go ahead and just select all and hit this AI button. Generate with AI, roofing hero section ad copy, and then hit generate. And the AI built in is pretty cool. So now we can just click one of these. Elevate your home with elite roofing solutions. Our expert team guarantees unbeatable protection and style for your most valuable asset. Experience peace of mind with durable, weather-resistant roofing that stands the test of time. Act now and transform your house into a safe haven with our trusted roofing services. Secure your free consultation today. Perfect, we just hit copy and continue. And obviously we're gonna want that to be increased in size a little bit. It's maybe a little too big. Perfect. Now you can change the color of this to a conversion color, which I was talking about earlier, which should be green. And we can say, contact us, or better yet, it's get free estimate. Perfect. And then we can select what we want this to do. We can add animations. There is just unbelievable amounts of versatility with this page builder. Now, if you want to learn how to do this yourself and sell websites to local businesses, go ahead and click my link down below and join my free school community. And if you want to check out another one of my videos where I funnel hack another type of niche, go ahead and click this video over here. I'll catch you in the next one.